Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max Online class. So, in the previous class, we did up to page number 106 in your textbook sums, isn't it? Now, I am going to continue the page number 106, second main. Okay, we'll do now the same page number, second main. Subtraction sums are there, isn't it? So many subtraction sums are there. One by one, we will understand and we'll count it and do it carefully. Okay. Yes. Don't get confusion. One by one, some I'll teach, understand, and you can copy in your textbooks correct answers. Don't write wrong answers. Okay. How many sums are there, say, in your book? Minus 4, 6, minus 3. Minus 6. I'm continuing here. So in your book it is given in the same line, but here in the board no space. That's why I'm continuing beside. You will get confusion means you can write the numbers and keep ready. Okay, you can write numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbers, they are not printed. If you get confusion means you can write and keep. So total 11 sums are there. See, count it once if you want. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sums are there in the left side box. In the right side box, 5, 10. Here 5. 10 sums are there in the right side box. Right side box also it is given, see. 10 sums. Questions are all printed in your book, children. You should count and do the answers correctly and write it in the empty box. Okay. Here also no place here, that's why I'm writing these two sums beside. You get confusion means you can write the numbers and you can do. Okay. Right, first, second, third, fourth, 6. 10. Only 10 sums are there this side. 5. Yes, 5, 10. So, first what you should do, don't get confusion. First open page number 106 page. In that, first main we have finished in the previous class. Second main open. Subtraction sums are there. You know already how to do the subtraction sums. So this in this box, see this box, I'll show you once. This box is there 11 sums and this side, right hand side box is there having 10 sums. All the sums I have written questions and kept ready. Now we'll do one by one sums slowly. What I'll do, understand, and you also write the answer in the box correctly. Follow me and write. Okay, shall we start now? Yes. First sum, how to do? See. What is the first sum? 6 minus 4. How to read also you should know. 6 minus 4 equals, they are given how to do 6. So keep how many fingers? 6 fingers. Slowly do. So many sums are given together. Don't get confusion. That's why I'm saying slowly. Understand and do. So keep how many fingers? 6 fingers. How many fingers will keep? 6 fingers. Fold how many? 4 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers fold. What is the balance? 1, 2. Right here. 2. Okay. Next, 7. Keep how many fingers? 7 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold, 1, 2. 2 fingers fold. What is the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balance. Understand? Next. 8. Keep how many fingers? 8 fingers. So 8 fingers keep. Fold how many? 5 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the balance? 1, 2, 3. Slowly write it and do. Next, keep how many fingers? 4 fingers. Keep how many? 4 fingers. Fourth sum. I'm doing now. Fourth sum. Keep 4 fingers. Fold 2. 1, 2. How many balance? 1, 2. Right here. 2. Next, 9. Keep how many fingers? 9 fingers. Fold how many? 4 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the balance? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? Next, keep 6 fingers. How many fingers? 6 fingers. Fold how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Fold how many balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here. Okay. Next, 10. How many balance? 10. So, fold how many? 6 sums. Sorry, 6 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 fingers fold. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Right here. 4. Okay. Next. 8. Keep how many fingers? 8 fingers. 8 fingers keep. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold. What's the balance? 6. 6 balance. Right here. 6. Next, keep how many? 6 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold. What's the balance? 4. Okay. Next, come to the next sum. 7 fingers. Keep 7 fingers. Fold 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. First column, last sum. Keep how many fingers? 10 fingers keep. Fold 2. Fold 2. 1, 2, fold. How many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balance. So right here, 8. Have you finished first column? First column means this one. This line I have finished. Check the answers once. You after writing once, you check. 6 minus 4, have you written 2? 7 minus 2, have you written 5? 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. That like that after writing, you should check once always. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 3, 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 10 minus 2, 8. Next, come to the next column. This one. One more column, same page, one more column. Is there not 10 sums here? That one we are doing. Keep how many fingers? Keep 5 fingers. Let's keep 5 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers. Fold. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here. Okay. Next, keep 9 fingers. How many? 9 fingers. Fold how many? 6 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here. 3. Then 4. What's the answer? Sorry, what's the first number? 4. Keep 4 finger. Cut how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1. Next 2. Keep 2 fingers. Fold how many? 1. Fold 1. What's the balance? 1. Next. Keep 8 fingers. Keep 8 fingers. Fold how many? 3 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balance. Next, 7 fingers. Keep how many? 7 fingers. Fold how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance 3. Okay. Next, keep 10 fingers. How many? 10 fingers. 10 fingers keep. Fold 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balance. Next, 5. Keep 5 finger. Fold 1. Only 1 finger fold. What's the balance? 4. Okay. Next, 9. Keep 9 fingers. Keep how many? 9 fingers. 9 fingers. Fold 2. 1, 2. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. Same page. Last sum. 8. Keep 8 fingers. Then fold how many? 6 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 1, 2. Understand? Have you finished 106 page? All the sums, check once. Check once, have you done correctly or not? Check it once. Did you check? Let's check once. This side also. This side you have checked, I think. No, this side also you should check. 5 minus 2. Have you written 3? Check once. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. Have you written like this? Yes. Shall I erase? Next we'll move to the 107. Page number 107. Keep ready 107 page, children. Have you kept open? Next page. Shall I start? Yes. Page number 107. This is also vertical subtraction. All we did now in page number 106, just now we have finished now 2 columns. That is horizontal subtraction. Now we will do the vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction. Okay. Vertical subtraction. What you did now like this. This is horizontal subtraction. Okay. Horizontal subtraction. Now we'll do the vertical. Vertical subtraction means like this. 4 minus 2. This is vertical subtraction. Understand? That is the difference between those two. First one they are only done actually, isn't it? Second sum. How many balls? 6 balls are there. How many ice cream cones are there? 7 ice cream cones. For you in the book it is drawn, children. Why I am drawing? For you to make you to understand, okay? You should understand now. That's why I am also drawing and showing for you. 5, 6, 7 are there. Last one, gift box. Gift box are there. Gift box, just boxes I will draw. Here, no place. I'll draw there. Okay, you shouldn't get confusion. That's Shall I do this page? Yes. See, in the first sum, what are heading? Page number 10. Have you opened? 107. Next, vertical subtraction. What is this? Vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction. I told you. What you will write like this? That is vertical. If you write like this, that is horizontal. Next, first sum. How many flowers they are given in your book? See, this page I am doing. Have you opened? Yes. Same page. See, in the first sum, how many flowers are given? See, 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. So, first box, they are only done 4. How many they have cut? 2. So, in the second box also write 2. How many balance? 1, 2. That only they have written here. First sum finished. Second and third, fourth sum you should do. How many balls given? 6 balls. So, write here 6 in the first box. They are only written actually. And how many balls they have cut? 2 balls. 2 balls they have cut. Write 2 in the second box. How many balances there? See balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. The answer. Understand how to do? Next, how many ice cream cones are there? 7 ice cream cones. So write in the first box 7. How many you should cut? How many you should cut? 4 you should cut. So 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ice cream cones you have cut? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. What's the balance? How many is there balance with you? 1, 2, 3. Write the answer 3 here. Understand? You should write answer 3 in the box. Understand this sum? Fourth sum, no place here. But in your book, it's given here, last sum. It's given here, no children? Yes, but for me no place, so I have drawn here. Just box I have drawn, that is gift box actually, but it's drawn in your book correctly. For you to make it understand, just a box I have drawn. Okay. So how many boxes? 9 boxes are there. So first box, what you'll write? 9. Write the number 9. How many boxes you should cut? 4 boxes. Write the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes you should cut it. Okay. So 4 right in the second box. How many balances there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is their balance. 5 balance. Write the answer in the next box. Understand? Yes or no? So up to 107 page, we will finish today. Okay, 108 page, I can do in the next class, I think. 108, page number 108. Isn't it? Up to 107. 106 we did today and 107, isn't it? Up to that you finish in the textbook today. That is enough. Then in the 108 page I will do in the next class. So continuously you're doing subtraction sums, you will be feel bored, okay? I'll revise the tables just to refresh your mind, isn't it? Continuously doing same sums, you will get bored. So tables will just say orally, tables, okay, for a few minutes. Can you say? Do you remember? I should write and show you, or you will tell like that only, just will revise with tables, right? And will revise. Okay, say, 2 ones are say. Should we revise the tables? Okay, say 2 ones are. Just revise it in your rough note. Tables, revise it in your rough note. 2 ones are 2. Okay, don't get confusion after doing textbook sums. We did the subtraction sums continuously, isn't it? So we'll revise the tables. Tables you revise in your rough note or say orally. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. You should only say 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Just continuously are doing the sums. Just to get refresh your mind, I'm revising the tables. Okay. You also revise in your rough notes. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Daily say the tables. So answers will come to your tip of the tongue. Okay. Answer will come to your mind, and whenever we ask, you can say in your mouth correctly. In between also I can ask 2 threes are what? You should say 6. 2 fours are 8. Like that suddenly you should say, means you should revise it daily. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Three ones. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. You also revise like that. Daily revise the tables. Practice. Daily 2 times, 3 times if you say, definitely tables will come to you to say, isn't it? Next say 4 ones. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Okay. So 2 ones are 3 4. You practice in this class. I just told you orally. Let me continue remaining in the next class. Okay. Up to page number 107. It should be completed in your textbook up to today's class. Okay. In the next class, I'll continue the textbook page. Next page. Okay. In the textbook, next page, that is 108. I'll continue the next class. Thank you, children.